Oh shit, whatever. I'll do what I want.
Said it'll take about a minute. What's the random ass red light?
Yeah, I think it's a heat thing. I hope that doesn't mean it's on.
No.
Miss Alba, your phone! Miss Alba, your phone!
Dude, it's working! Shut the door!
Shut the door, shut the door.
Hell yeah, let's try this again.
Yeah.
Without that ass red light.
Just put more potassium permanganate in.
I agree. Ask Miss Alba to tell her it's still going. Get Miss Alba.
Oh! Go get her, go get her.
Let's see. Miss Alba! Miss Alba, it's going. Can you look at it? Yeah, it's already done. It's already done.
Shut the door. Yeah.
Can you see something on your camera?
It's only, you're only seeing the flashes. It apparently goes on for quite a while. Oh. Oh, Jesus.
We should do the one with acetone.
Oh, is that more? Oh, yeah. I know, I'm good. We gotta turn this fucking red light off. Here, hold this. I don't want this anymore. Oh, Jewel's left. You're gonna be in a dark room by yourself.
That's fine.
Now we're alone. I'm happy with red watch.
That's gross. I think I have enough.